Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to backup and restore Linux files on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To backup and restore your Linux files on your Chromebook, you have to enable the Linux development environment. So we already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Linux support on your Chromebook, you are ready to use backup and restore feature of Linux files. To do so, simply click on App Launcher icon, then open Settings. Scroll down, click on About Chrome OS. Now here look for Linux Development Environment. If this is not enabled, you will find Setup option. Simply click on this option. Here click on Backup and Restore. Now if you want to backup all your Linux apps and files, simply click on Backup button. Select the location, give a name to your backup, then click on Save. After that, it will start creating a backup. Now to restore the backup, you can simply click on Restore option, click on Restore, select the backup file, then click on Open, and it will restore your Linux apps and files. So that's it. This is how you can backup and restore Linux files on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.